Time to be bad.
Hello, my beautiful people out now to Oklahoma for my son's graduation. And I'm gonna take you guys a little ride along. All right, so I made a stop at Main Street in Wickett, Texas. And I was right above 3/4 tank. So I'm doing pretty good on gas. It was a 580 something miles to destination. And I'm gonna say I stopped at, well, I got another 3 something to go. But yep, nice little truck stop. And I got my little passenger with me.
Time to be bad.
Yeah, still we on the ride along. My kids gave this to me years ago, like back in 2009. Yeah, but anyway, let me go use the restroom, rest up for at least an hour, and then get back on the road. Sweetwater, getting there. As you can see, it's dusk. The sun should be peeping its head out in about another 35 minutes. So, slowly getting there. Slowly getting there. Next piece you guys will see is when I actually get to Oklahoma. So, well, I'm in Oklahoma right now, but when I get to my brother's house. Alright, so enjoy these little clips. And I'll see you guys when I get there.
Turn left onto US 277 North.
I am. Chill. As soon as grandma there gets going.
Continue for 114 miles.
What? Golly. Stop for a little break. I'm almost there. Almost there. A couple more miles. Hey, Stu, you want anything?
Oh, yes, I love crack. I'm absolutely cuckoo for crack.
Go here real quick and I'll be right back out. Let's get back to it. Whew. Music will just play when it wants to. I ain't trying to get no copyright infringement
to stay
crap.
on South Red River Expressway, then use the left lane to take the I-44 East ramp.
I got it. This is my old stomping grounds. I know where I'm at. I'm about to shut you off in a minute.
Use the left lane to take the I-44 East ramp, then merge onto I-44 East.
Shut up. You done. Well, finally made it. Lawton, Oklahoma. My brother's house. You can hear that. He's cutting the grass. Here he comes. That loud thing. What the hell? Oh, I swear that boy he did. Oh. But anyway. Every time I come this way. Oh, I know y'all been wondering what my shirt says, but here you go. Yeah, this bad boy right here. I really miss it. I'm not gonna ride it because I know some of you watching work with me, and yeah, you know, but yeah, I'm not gonna ride it. But what, 9 years ago, this used to be a little stress reliever. The battery's charging right now. But I ain't gonna lie, I miss riding it. It's CBR I think, yeah. Honda CBR 600. But he got it stretched. I'm not sure what kit he has on it. And if I'm correct, I think he has a chip commander. But pretty nice. Pretty nice. But anyway, yeah, so seen the bike. And here's something different to El Paso. Green. Oh man, I miss this. But hey, anyway, save some space in the video. I don't want to make this too long. I'm gonna chop it up a little bit. I'm going to the graduation this afternoon and come back, get some sleep, and ride out again. All right, so stay with me.
Thank you, Mr. Bradley.
Excuse me, sir. Coming through. Well, graduation was last night. Got me some sleep, ate some breakfast. Now I'm on the way to Killeen. I got about 3 hours left. Didn't record before I left or anything. Pretty short trip, actually. I won't be in Killeen too long either before I head back home. Got done eating at the I Love. About to go hop in that bad boy. Alright. You gonna tell Trevor hello? Hello? Alright, Trevor, we're gonna see what this car can do.
What do you mean?
I'm about to see what he can do. Alright, here we go. These are railroad tracks. Oh. Ah. Well, hello, my peeps. I got to Killeen. I was real tired and went and saw the kids and got real excited. Forgot to record anything but riding in the WRX. So I'm in Junction City, or Junction right now, heading home. But I found a phenomenon. A McDonald's that's closed. It's a truck stop, but the McDonald's is closed. That's crazy. Enjoyed a little trip. A little bit that I didn't show you. So I'm gonna go ahead and get on the road, knock these last 7 hours out, and get my tail home. All right, see y'all when I get there. 251, right? That's a side facing highway. Now check this out. So you know I had to go ask him, hey, what's up with that? The lady told me, oh, the bulb's probably broken. Come on, man. You did that to get people to stop. And it works. Because I was the only one. There are like 5 vehicles in here complaining. Hey, your sign says 251, but the pump says 291. No, it's 291. The sign says it. Nah, fool. Come on now. The gimmicks they play out here, man. But yeah, anyway, yeah. By the time I hit El Paso, I should still have 133, 143 left. So I'm good. So I'm gonna take another nap and get back on the road. There you go, Jay. From 580 down to 92. All the way home. See what you can do with your F-150. Well, guys, made it home. All right. Pull in the driveway. 89 miles left to the tank. Pretty good. From 580, coming all the way from Junction, Texas, to El Paso. That is awesome. Great. I'm still averaging 23.3. Coming through traffic and all that. No, my best is 23.3. Average is 21.5. So I try to get up to 24, but it won't work. But hey, anyway, thank you guys for riding along. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video. And as always, thank you for subscribing. Please leave a comment. And please, please, please share the videos. Need to make it to 1,000 here in the next week or so. Please, please share the videos. All right, thank you guys for watching.